Hi everyone. GDPR Compliance is a convenient tool for processing users' data in Zendesk according to privacy protocols. The easiest and fastest way to process data is by using lists. So, in this video, we'll show you how to create a contact, ticket, and organization list to delete and anonymize data in bulk. Let's start with the contact list. First, go to the Settings tab, select Lists Management, Contact Lists at the top, and click Add New List. When creating a list, you need to provide a name and description. Check the Share box to make this list available to other agents. Then, you need to set conditions for the list. For the contact list, you'll see the default condition role as end user that you can remove, edit, or leave as is. Then, click Add Condition. There are several possibilities for grouping your contacts based on different criteria. Let's explore them in more detail. The first way to separate a contact list is by standard fields. You can add the time frame using the filters created or updated at. To do so, select the condition from the drop-down list and add the period of time. Then, click Save. Filter by tags. For example, we want to anonymize GrowthDot customers. Look for the field tags and enter the needed tag. Filter by custom user fields. It is also possible to filter users by setting specific custom field values as criteria for forming a contact list. For example, we could choose our custom field and toggle the button to include only active users in this list. Click Save. Ticket list. In general, creating a ticket list is similar to creating a contact list. The difference is that conditions contain different fields. To start, on the same Lists Management page, select the Ticket List tab. In the upper right corner, click the Add New List button. Then follow the same steps as for the contact list and click Save. Organization list. As you can assume, the process for creating organization lists is the same as for creating contact and ticket lists. The difference is in the data type and available fields. So again, open the Settings page, go to the Lists Management tab, select the organization lists, and click Add New List. Then give the name and set the necessary conditions. For example, we want to see IT organizations on the list. Previously, we added some details to such organizations, so now we can set the field details is IT. To finish, click Save. After, you can run the needed data process with the created lists. That's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and visit our website growthdot.com.